Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, in today's sessions, we are going to learn something very useful in real office work, tax-related operations in Excel. That means working with tax data like names, age, results, and splitting them into different columns. We will learn two methods. First one is Excel features tax to columns, and second one is Smart AI tools slash fill. So let's get started. Method 1, tax to column. Guys, here we have table 2 where data is written in a single column like this. Name, age, result separated by comma. Now imagine your boss says, I want name, age and result in separate column. So how do we do this? Guys, very simple. First select data, go to data tab and click on text to columns in data tools group. Now a wizard will open. Guys, select delimited, click next. Since our data has comma, tick comma and click finish. And guys, done. Now you can see name in one column, age in another one column, result in another one column. Guys, this feature is very important and is often asked in interviews. Now method 2, flash fill, AI smart tricks. Now let's go to table 1. Here we want to do the same thing. Separate name, age, result, but keep original data also intact. First, extract name. First type one example, write Rohit, press enter. Now select that cell and go to data tab and flash fill. Guys, you can see here shortcut key is Ctrl+E. Now click on flash fill and guys, done. Excel automatically fills all names, no formula needed. Now extract age. Type 1 is example 56 and press enter and select that cell and press Ctrl+E. And guys, see the result. All ages will be filled automatically. Now extract result. Type 1 result, for example pass and press enter and select that cell and press Ctrl+E. All results will be separated instantly. Guys, important tips. Flash fill is very smart. If you type pass in capital, it gives capital. If you type pass in lower cases, it gives lower cases. So it follows your pattern. So guys, in today's sessions, you learned text to columns, flash fill AI based features, how to split data easily, how to clean data fast. Now it's your turn. Practice both methods and tell me in the comment box which method did you like more. If your video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to DataDesk Pro for more Excel sessions. Your support helped me. See you in the next session. Thank you.